Welcome to Aiden Clark Learn. This video covers Dynatrace Associate Certification Exam practice questions that improve real exam accuracy. In this session, we will practice real exam-style questions designed for the Dynatrace Associate Certification Exam. Let's strengthen your concepts with some high-quality Dynatrace Associate Exam practice questions that closely match the real exam pattern. Let's begin the questions. Question number 1. Which component of Dynatrace is responsible for automatic discovery of services and dependencies? A. Davis AI Engine. B. OneAgent. C. Smartscape. D. Synthetic Monitor. Correct answer. C. Smartscape explanation. Smartscape is Dynatrace's real-time topology mapping technology. It automatically visualizes all services, processes, and dependencies in your environment, helping you understand how components interact with each other. This is essential for root cause analysis in modern cloud environments. Question number 2. What is the primary role of Dynatrace OneAgent? A. Generate dashboards only. B. Collect metrics, logs, and traces automatically. C. Manage user authentication. D. Create synthetic tests. Correct answer. B. Collect metrics, logs, and traces automatically. Explanation. OneAgent is a key component in Dynatrace that automatically installs on hosts and collects all observability data, such as metrics, logs, and distributed traces. It enables full-stack monitoring without manual configuration. Question number 3. Which feature in Dynatrace uses AI to detect anomalies and root causes automatically? A. Smartscape. B. Davis AI Engine. C. Synthetic Monitoring. D. Log Viewer. Correct answer. B. Davis AI Engine explanation. Davis AI Engine is Dynatrace's artificial intelligence system that automatically detects anomalies, analyzes problems, and identifies root causes. It reduces manual troubleshooting effort by providing intelligent insights. Question number 4. What is the purpose of synthetic monitoring in Dynatrace? A. Monitor database queries. B. Simulate user behavior and test application availability. C. Store logs. D. Manage infrastructure scaling. Correct answer. B. Simulate user behavior and test application availability. Explanation. Synthetic monitoring is used to simulate user interactions with applications. It helps ensure that services are available and performing well even before real users access them. Question number 5. Which Dynatrace capability provides full-stack observability automatically? A. Manual dashboards. B. OneAgent and AI-driven monitoring. C. Static reporting tools. D. Network firewall logs. Correct answer. B. OneAgent and AI-driven monitoring. Explanation. Dynatrace provides full-stack observability by combining OneAgent data collection with AI-driven analysis. This allows automatic monitoring of infrastructure, applications, and user experience in real time. These questions are based on the Dynatrace Associate Certification Exam structure. If you want more structured practice questions like this, Pass for Future can really help you by providing updated and exam-focused Dynatrace Associate Certification Exam practice questions that improve your preparation strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aiden Clark Learn for more certification practice questions. Comment below if you want any other certification prep videos.